black, cream, and a small color. It features a black and white checkered stripe across the chest and a pair of cross racing flags printed on one side. For her skirt, she's wearing a matching red skirt with a similar vertical checkered racing stripe on one side. For her boots, black knee-high boots that give the outfit a bold, stylish finish. Overall, the look is energetic and playful like a racing team dance or performance costume. For Sebastian C. Federicos, he is wearing a vibrant red racing jumpsuit inspired by professional Formula race drivers. The suit features black and yellow patch accents, including racing emblems and a Ferrari-style badge, giving it an authentic motorsport look.
Hindi, baliktad. Ano? Number mo.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Chief Natalie Asdan Santos, 8 years old from Virgicom Passion. My hobbies are dancing, drawing, and singing. And my motto in life is surround yourself with good people and always follow your dreams. Thank you.
Please pick a number to determine your judge. Your judge will be judge number 1.
Hi, Jane.
Hi.
So my question for you is, if you could have one superpower, what would it be and and why?
Flying?
Why? Why do you want to fly?
Because I want to see the clouds.
Oh, that's nice. Thank you so much, Jay.
Thank you, Jay. Thank you, candidates.
Come on stage. Jade Natalie S. De Los Santos. Let's give her a round of applause. Please join us on stage. Jade Natalie S. De Los Santos. Let's give her a round of applause.